Did you know the average millionaire has 7 different streams of income? And no, they're not geniuses. They're not luckier than you. They simply follow a few rules most people ignore. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful rules the wealthy never break. And if you start today, your future could look very different. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join Cash Compass 360, your full circle guide to money mastery. We bring you proven strategies to earn more, save smarter, and build lasting wealth. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you even think about shopping, take a fixed percentage of your income and set it aside for your future. Most people do the opposite. They spend first and then try to save what's left. And often nothing is left. Wealthy people flip the script. They treat saving and investing like a non-negotiable bill. Even if it's just 10% at first, make it automatic. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month, move $200 straight into an investment or savings account the moment your paycheck hits. It's like paying the future you before paying anyone else. Here's a quick check. Does what you're buying put money into your pocket or take money out? Assets, like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or a small business, generate income. Liabilities, like luxury cars, the latest phone, or expensive gadgets, cost you money over time. Millionaires ask themselves one question before big purchases. Will this make me money or cost me money? Even if they buy something flashy, it's often funded by the income from their assets. Think about it. It's better to have your investments buy you a car than your salary. Relying on one paycheck is risky. If that paycheck stops, so does your lifestyle. Wealthy people diversify. They might have a main job, but they also run a side business, own investments, or earn passive income from digital products. You can start small. Maybe it's freelancing online, renting out a spare room, or creating an ebook. Over time, each new stream makes you less dependent on one source and moves you closer to financial freedom. Money flows to people who know how to use it. Wealthy people are constantly upgrading their skills, reading books, taking courses, listening to podcasts, learning from mentors. Think about it. If you improve your skills in sales, marketing, or investing, you can open doors to opportunities that didn't exist before. The difference between someone making $1,000 a month and $10,000 a month often comes down to one skill they mastered. This is the ability to say, not yet, to something you want, in order to get something bigger later. Most people increase their spending the second they earn more. New car, new phone, bigger apartment. But wealthy people often keep their expenses steady and pour the extra money into investments. Here's an example. Instead of spending $500 extra on dinners out every month, invest it. In 10 years, that could grow into tens of thousands of dollars, enough to buy something far bigger than a few nights at a fancy restaurant. Wealth isn't an overnight game. It's built one decision at a time, one rule at a time. Start with just one of these today, and in a few years, you'll thank yourself. If you found value here, hit the like button, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Cash Compass 360, your guide to mastering money from every angle.